Top 3 and the third fastest motorcycle is Lightning LS 218. You are now looking at the only electric motorcycle on this list. It's manufactured by an American motorbike company, Lightning Motorcycle. Kawasaki Ninja H2 ranks the second among the fastest motorcycles. Launched in 2015, Kawasaki's Ninja H2 was like something from outer space, with alien looks, a chirping supercharger, and the kind of straight-line performance that blew the doors of any superbike it came up against. Finally, the winner of this list is Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This motorbike is track only. It's powered by a supercharged 998cc transverse 4-cylinder that can produce approximately 310 horsepower. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R famously reached a stunning mark of 400 km/h.